In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to write words into decimals. So if we have a problem like this that says write 237 thousandths as a decimal number, and the thousandths is key here. It doesn't say thousands, it says thousandths, which tells us it's a decimal. So the first thing to do is use a place value chart. So we have the ones, the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousandths. The next step is to remember what 237 thousandths means as a fraction. So 237 thousandths is 237 over 1,000. That's all it means. So now you can convert to a decimal by moving the decimal at the end of 237 left 3 times. So you would move the decimal that's here, and you would move it this way. And all numbers have a decimal at the end of them, even if you can't see it. So how would that look if we do that? So we take 237 and you move that decimal here, 1, 2, 3, that way. And so how do you know you have to move it that way? How to remember to go left? The 1,000 is in the denominator, which means division. So when it's division, you move the decimal this way, left, okay? And that's all there is to this lesson. One more thing. We need to actually put the number in the chart. So this is the final answer, 0.237. So there you put a 0 in front of here. You could leave it off, but usually you put it in because it just kind of finishes off the number. So now we can put the number here into this chart, 0.237. So that's how 237 thousandths looks as a number. And that's the end of that lesson. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. There's nothing wrong with the repetition. You could just rewatch the video. You're probably one explanation away from getting it. And also take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this if you need extra help. And as well, you could download my ebook that has this exact lesson in it. And you can watch the video as you follow along in the ebook. There's a link in the ebook you could click on it. It'll take you right to here. Thank you so much for listening, and make sure to like and subscribe.